As a do-it-yourselfer, you're ready to take on that small paint project, and your TrueCoat 360 provides you the quality you demand with precision control to finish that job quickly and easily. TrueCoat 360 comes in 3 versions. First is the TrueCoat 360 Single Speed. This sprayer includes 2 spray tips for paint projects, providing you a choice of fan patterns fitting your project's needs. Second is the TrueCoat 360 Dual Speed, which gives you greater control with 2 speed settings: low for more control on detailed projects and high for larger jobs where you want to finish faster. And finally, the TrueCoat 360 Variable Speed gives you the ultimate control. You can dial it from 1 to 10. It truly lets you dial in your project pace. Start on 1 or 2 for smaller detailed projects like cabinets or trim. Turn it up to 5 or 6 for that medium-sized surface. Then bump up the speed to 9 or 10 to tackle walls and larger surfaces in a breeze. Both the TrueCoat 360 Dual Speed and Variable Speed models include 4 spray tips, providing different spray pattern sizes. All 3 sprayers are perfect for your next project, using up to 2 gallons of paints or stains. They offer exclusive features like the patented Flex Liner, giving you the ability to spray in any direction, even upside down. The Flex Liner includes a funnel strainer system. Now, filling cups is fast and clean. Then just squeeze to prime and start to spray. What could be easier? Graco True Airless sprayers are built right here in the USA. They provide pro-grade technology in a user-friendly design, allowing you the fastest way to finish with 1 pass coverage, and the ability to spray coatings unthinned with less overspray. Nothing beats the true airless experience. You can do more and do it faster with Graco.